Regrettably, last October, NASA's active space telescope, Kepler, has retired. Scientists began sorting through the retired Kepler's data, and during that process, they discovered something peculiar. It was a mysterious star, located 350 light-years away, emitting strange light. All this time, Kepler had been observing changes in the star's brightness and accumulating data. Kepler had carried out many missions in search of alien planets similar to Earth. The number of celestial bodies discovered by Kepler alone exceeds 500,000. Despite ending operations last October, NASA's exceptional space telescope, Kepler, left behind a big homework for scientists, right up to the last moment. MIT's Kavli Institute for Astrophysics and Space Research analyzed data from Kepler's K2 mission and found a peculiar star 350 light-years from Earth. This peculiar star belonged to a binary system composed of two stars and was named HD 139139. The team observed over 28 dimming events from the star for 97 days. Typically, the change in a star's light is mainly due to planets periodically orbiting around the star. If the star's dimming is regular, orbiting planets may be the cause, but the issue with this star was its total lack of regularity. If other planets orbiting HD 139139 were the cause, there would definitely have been regularity. However, this star's dimming was changing randomly, again causing headaches for scientists. In fact, such enigmatic stars have been discovered before. One example is KIC 846-2852, suspected to be an alien megastructure, a Dyson sphere. It's also known as Tabby's star. While various hypotheses like an artificial structure installed by aliens to use the star's energy have emerged about Tabby's star, nothing has been definitively revealed yet. Scientists calculate that HD 139139 is a binary system with stars of different sizes. HD 139139 is larger than the Sun, while the other component is about one-third its size. Perhaps the irregular dimming pattern could be due to the positional changes of the moving binary system. However, even if the motion is complex, it would still exhibit some regularity or patterns. The irregularity of the celestial objects is yet hard to explain. Scientists proposed several hypotheses. The first hypothesis posits that it is due to a small planet emitting dust particles. If a planet orbiting the binary system sporadically emits dust, it may explain the irregular dimming. However, explaining the uniformity of the dimming remains challenging. The second hypothesis proposes the ever-changing periodicity of the multitude of planets within the binary system. Computer simulations conducted by scientists did not match Kepler's data. There could be an accretion disk, a revolving gas disk around the star, which may exhibit varying periodicity. However, the celestial body is old to have accretion disks of this magnitude, and even if they do, they must have some periodicity. Indeed, scientists acknowledge the difficulty of explaining this celestial object with any hypothesis thus far. Possible internal mechanisms in the star, like temporary sunspots, could explain brightness variations. Further investigation and research are needed for HD 139139. Despite scientific hypotheses, ruling out a Dyson sphere is challenging. If this celestial object is an artificial structure, it would resolve the problems of the dimming state and its irregularity at once. The mystery of HD 139139 deepens. We should await further news on this star for now.